Welcome to Travel Around Susie. Today I have a Ford van and it is David's, and we get to see all the neat little things he has. And again, I haven't been in the inside, but I really like his storage box on the back. So I'm super excited to see what he has inside the van. So let's go check it out. Hi David, thanks for showing us your home away from home.
How you doing, Sue?
I'm doing good. And this is a Ford, what year?
2011.
2011. All right, and it's the 15 or 25? 2500, all right. And you were telling me about the front of this with the receiver.
I carry a Honda 2200 generator on the front.
Nice.
There is a place in Lake Havasu, Arizona that builds custom boxes to put that 2200 in.
Oh.
So I picked up one of those last year when I was out that way.
Nice tip. Havasu, I love being, or Craigie, you said Craigie Wash?
Yes.
Craigie Wash, I love that place too.
It's gone downhill over the years.
Oh no. I was there in 2019. So you want to take us around to the back or wherever you want to?
It's just a standard old van, just a little bit longer than most.
And you've done some modification with some mirror systems. Is that so you can see inside when you're inside, or?
No, I'm just an old truck driver.
Ah,
love those mirrors. You can't have too many mirrors.
Yeah. All right.
So I put 420 watts of solar on the roof and a fantastic vent fan. And little by little, I've just built it up over the years.
Now, is this, did you do all this custom work yourself?
All of it, yeah.
Awesome, I love DIY vans. And I actually have the Max Air fan.
Right, that's what that is.
Ah, okay.
And this is my second stowaway. I had one in 2020 that I traveled with. And then I sold that when I got back to Michigan. And so I wanted another one.
Now this is on a swing arm?
Yes.
So that you can actually get into the back?
I think this might be about as far as it goes, maybe.
Okay, but you've got the doors open. So, I mean, you're very capable of getting in and getting things out. I love that. I will have to check into that.
A brand new, with taxes, $1,058.
Okay. And I see you have a cord. So does that mean you have
It's got brakes, turn signals, running lights on the back of the box.
Ah, gotcha. And this is your garage?
Yep.
Very clean install. I love that.
Well, when I was in Quartzsite in March, I went from lead acid batteries to lithium batteries.
Now this is your inverter?
Yes.
How many?
2,000.
2,000. Nice. Nice. And I'm assuming that's your battery. And how many?
2 100 amp hours.
Nice.
I got the Lie Times.
Uh-huh.
I think they used to be called Amper Time.
Yep, I think you're right. This guy has traveled and he has so many stories. I just love listening to all of his stories. But just look at all the stickers. All right, so back here is just pretty much your propane, your extra. Now is this, I actually have the same water container, 6 gallons.
Yes, it fit there.
Yeah, I actually have 2 on each side of my back of my van.
I used a 7-gallon one, but there's nowhere to put it. Now in the future, I'm gonna add one more ladder rack to the back, and I'm gonna build a box to hold the 2 gas cans on top for the generator.
Yeah.
And free up some more space back here.
And you've got it somewhat insulated back here, I noticed.
Well, this van is a great looking van because it has been Z-barded, which is rust proofing.
Yep.
It's been Z-barded 12 times.
Oh!
October 3rd, it's going for its 13th time.
Nice.
Happy to say there's no rust on this van anywhere.
That's
other
good.
than the little nicks from stone chips.
Yeah. That's a good thing in Michigan because we have that issue.
Well, I'm stuck here this winter, but I haven't seen snow in 3 years.
Again, look at all these stickers. So this is a twin bed, which is plenty enough room. Look at all the stickers again. This guy is a world traveler. Love it, love it. And then you've got your storage here, which is nice. Now is this this is all wood?
Yeah,
okay.
3/4 inch plywood.
Nice, nice, nice.
I have a TV that usually hangs there, but it's in my apartment right now.
Over here?
Yes, I have 7 more months in my apartment. That TV will be hanging back there where it's supposed to be.
Uh-huh. Decorations, I love it, love it.
All
love
from the
it.
grandkids.
Gotta keep your grandkids with you. Love it. My grandson has realized that I'm doing that, so he's starting to make me artwork. Now, do you ever have trouble with this when you're traveling?
No,
it just kind of
it's never unrolled.
I've contemplated doing that, but I'm afraid because I go through some bumpy roads and I'm like the whole roll.
This is a Rubbermaid paper towel holder, and I'm sure you can get it online, but I only find them at Ace Hardware.
So it does have some resistance. You got your trash, you got your refrigerator. That's a pretty decent sized refrigerator.
Refrigerator, freezer. It works very, very well.
And what brand is? Oh, Iceco.
It's Iceco.
Yeah.
When I ran it on 12 volt, it didn't like the high temperatures out west.
Well, I have to tell you, for a low top, you really have made the use of the space. And I love the idea of the curtains. It looks like towels.
That's what it is. It's four towels.
4 towels. Look at that, guys. If you don't need fancy curtains. You just take a towel, you sew it up at the top, and you've got your privacy curtain. And it's definitely a blackout because you ain't gonna see nothing through them curtains.
I sewed magnets all up and down this curtain, so it sticks to the door really well.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
It gets pretty dark in here.
I love sleeping that way. And, you know, even though you're not really stealth, but you are somewhat stealth still.
I've never concerned myself with that.
Well, being a guy, you don't have to so much, but women, we gotta kind of worry a little bit about that. So, for safety reasons, you know. Thank you, David.
You see that Creative Breeze fan there? I've been shopping around for another one. It's very hard to find.
The one that I have on my back window, I kind of like. And you have no windows, so you have put reflectives. This is all reflectives.
Yes.
So.
In some places, the reflectives is probably 4 layers thick.
Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Guys, if you really enjoyed this van tour, as simple as it was, go look at this no-build minivan that I have. I will link it right here in this box. Go ahead and click on that right now, and I'll see you in the next video.